Hello, guys. Welcome back to my channel. I am good and hope you all are doing well. In our previous video, we discussed how to use index, match, and index match formula. I hope you guys are practicing index match. If you haven't used index match formula before, check out part 1 of this series that shall help you out. I am providing the link in the description box below. Alright, today we'll discuss why to use index match over VLOOKUP. Let's dive into the scenario. I'm using this data for helping you understand why to use index match over VLOOKUP. So here in the data, we have the salesperson name, cells achieved by them, and their employee numbers. Okay, so let's try to let's try to resolve this scenario together. Okay, so it says get the salesperson name based on employee number using VLOOKUP. Okay, so let's do it using VLOOKUP. We have to pull the salesperson name based on the employee number. Okay, so it is quite visible from here, but in the real, you'll be given a huge data. So it won't be just 10, 12 records, it would be thousands of records. So naturally, you won't be able to pull the salesperson name based on employee number manually. Okay, so everyone thinks of VLOOKUP first in such scenarios. Okay, let's try VLOOKUP and see what happens. Okay, so equal to VLOOKUP, the formula has appeared, hence tab. What I want to find out, this employee number, comma, where is that range from where I need to pull the salesperson name based on employee number in this table. I'm selecting entire table. All right, and locking the range by function F4 or simply F4, comma, and now the column index number. So employee number is here and salesperson name is here. So 1, 2, 3. This is in third column, right? So hence column number is 3 and I want the exact image, hence 0 and bracket close. All right. So this is throwing an error. So those who have watched my first uh, video, the part 1 of VLOOKUP series, they already know that VLOOKUP will search the values from the leftmost. Okay, so here the employee number is residing on the rightmost column, right, of the table, and from right to left we are searching. That's why it is not pulling. It is one of the biggest limitation of VLOOKUP. All right. So let's say that employee number was on the left side, or we can say the salesperson name was on the right side of the employee number. Then would it be able to pull? Yes, it would be. Let me show you. So let me just get the salespeople, sorry, employee numbers here. Okay, let me just add on the column here. Hmm, okay, paste. All right. So if you see again the same formula, we look up. We are searching for this employee number. Uh, this is my this is my data range now. All right. And this is in column number 2, salesperson name. Hence 2. I want exact match, hence 0, bracket close. See? So if you see here, employee number 10 1022 is Akash, EMP1026 is Tony, and EMP1030 is Chris. Alright. So you got my point. Okay, moving on, I'm just removing this. Now let's do it using index match, because not necessarily all the times whatever you want to search is on the right side of the table, correct? So let's try to achieve the same results using index match. Okay, so equals to index. Okay. I know what I want to search and what's the column is. So we are looking for salesperson name, hence I'm uh, selecting salesperson column and locking that column, freezing that column. Okay. Now match what I want to search. I want to search this employee number. I am okay. Then what is the lookup array? Where is the employee number? In this column, employee number column. Hence selected this column and again lock the lock the column, freeze the column, and I want exact match, hence 0, bracket close and bracket close. Because we don't need the further syntax to be followed. Our purpose is achieved here and enter. You see, it works. So the biggest limitation of VLOOKUP is overcome here. So we can use index match rather. Okay. And I'll just copy paste this formula and we are done.
Well, that's all for this video. Hope this helps you. Please like, share, and subscribe. In the next part, we'll discuss another scenario of index match. So stay tuned for part 3. See you in the next video. Until then, keep watching, keep learning, and more importantly, keep practicing. All right, bye bye.